Hello, this is result yesterday Fibonacci prediction. This is DAX Germany index. So here is Fibonacci prediction, red line and blue line Fibonacci yesterday prediction. So daily, here is daily low. Daily low is here. Here is daily low, and here was market price, and Fibonacci prediction for buy is here. Here only 50 points. 50 points. Shit. And then market uptrend, strong uptrend. No, only 15 points is a different Fibonacci prediction and market price. Okay, euro dollar. Here is Fibonacci line for sell, for buy. Market price. Not attack Fibonacci line. So okay.